Hi everyone, and for today, I would like to share another verse para sa inyong lahat. It is written in Psalm 34 verse 4. I sought the Lord and He answered me and delivered me from all my fears. Forgiving someone might feel like opening yourself up to potential future harm. Ulit naman na pananakit, hindi na nagsawa. Bakit ko papapatawarin? Wala sa pinatawad mo ang kapayapaan na maaari mong maranasan kung hindi nasa pagpapatawad na kaya mong ibigay sa mga taong nakasakit sa'yo. At least, sa susunod na pananakit nila sa'yo, ready ka na. Mas malakas ka na, mas kaya mo na. At mas matuturuan mo pa yung sarili mo na intindihin na lang itong taong ito. And all you need to do is to pray every day. Hindi pagiging shungabels ang mandedma ng pananakit nila. Kung hindi, isa itong wisdom from above. Kasi most of everything, without any hate in your heart, you can move freely. You can move without any bitterness in your heart. Kapatid, don't be afraid to forgive. Let God be your everyday protection. He is watching you.